Hi, welcome to the Organization Root Administrator, Generate Timesheets in Manual Mode video session. Timesheets are generated on the basis of timesheet provisions. At the time of deploying a resource, WFMA creates timesheet provisions from the resource's deployment start date through deployment end date, and on the basis of applicable timesheet frequency for the resource. If a resource is undeployed or gets separated before the deployment end date, WFMA takes care of the unused provisions and other data integrity properly. Generate Timesheets is a sub-menu item under Timesheet Management, menu item. Staffing Organization Root Administrator can generate timesheet in manual mode here, that is online mode. If the Root Administrator has set the timesheet generation on automatic mode, timesheets will be generated by the background process also. Online and automation mode of timesheet generation do not affect each other. If the automatic process has already generated the timesheets on the basis of pending timesheet provisions, no pending timesheet provisions will be left for online timesheets generation at that point of time. Click on Generate Timesheets sub-menu item to get to the user interface for generating timesheets online. In case of manual timesheet generation, WFMA figures out a logically cutoff date through which timesheets will be generated in the current batch, which is shown on the user interface as feasible timesheet generation threshold date. WFMA also shows how many timesheets will be generated in this current batch. Apart from that, the user interface shows the potentially impacted timesheet provisions on the basis of which timesheets get generated. All these information is shown prior to executing timesheet generation. After the current batch timesheet generation, the next batch gets ready with the next cutoff date. This batch-by-batch timesheet generation approach gets the user interface free from getting locked for a long time, as the number of timesheets pending generation could be huge. This approach also helps making an idea as to how long the user interface will remain busy. Staffing Organization Root Administrator can execute the current batch of timesheet generation by clicking on the Generate Timesheets button. Upon timesheets generation completion, the button will be deactivated. Thank you. See you in the next video.